Greetings everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to make a cake which I used to eat from was maybe about 9 years old, and it's a ice cream cake, and I'm going to take you through the process and I'm sure you will enjoy it. So stay tuned, and if this video is any help to you, please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned. So in this video here, what we need, I have 4 eggs here. So I'm going to put the egg in. In here, 200 grams sugar. At this point, I'm going to add some vanilla, about a teaspoon. This is the consistency that you want. Very light and fluffy. This recipe, you don't need any butter or oil. Now I'm going to use my spatula and I'm going to add my flour. I'll put a bit in, then I'll fold it in. Then the rest in. Make sure you get everything folding properly, otherwise you're going to have a bit of lump. Then I'm gonna get my baking tray. I'm gonna get my spatula, spread it out a bit, because this is a bit easier, more flexible. When this bake, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna shape it up a bit, get the corners a bit more even. This will take probably about 10 minutes in the oven, and about 180 or less, depends on your oven. I have a pretty good oven, so probably take less time. This is what the base look like, just coming out the oven. So I'm gonna let it cool down, and then I'll start the process. But the easiest way to do is I'm gonna rest this back here. I'm gonna dust a bit of sugar on this, because I don't want it to stick, because I'm gonna turn it upside down. Then do it like this, stop it from sticking, and put this in the fridge to let it cool. This here I'm just gonna shape the edge up a bit. And this here is just some simple sugar. Just sugar, bit of water, warm water, cold water, a little bit of coffee, just to brush it. Just to help keep it a bit moist. And just brush it all over it. So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna try get the ice cream in. With as much as possible. Try to get it squeezing even. Don't worry about this part, because by the time you finish, you're gonna shape it up anyway. Just keep rolling it. Rolling it. See everything coming together. Give you a side view. Look at that. Look at that. Get the spatula. Look. And you fold it in. Keep it in the greaseproof paper. Take this side, do it like this, squeeze them in, turn them around, squeeze them in. This now, put it straight in the freezer. So stay tuned. This is a finished product of the ice cream cake. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.